Israeli strike kills at least. U.S. announces 35% tariff on Canadian goods, citing fentanyl concerns. According to Reuters, the U.S. administration has announced its intention to impose a 35% tariff on Canadian imports, scheduled to take effect on August 1. In a letter posted on social media, the U.S. president cited Canada's alleged failure to curb the flow of fentanyl into the United States as a key justification for the new levy. The tariff would apply to goods not covered by the existing U.S.-Mexico-Canada agreement, escalating trade tensions between the two neighbors. U.S. to impose 50% tariff on Brazil, linking move to Bolsonaro trial. According to Bloomberg, the White House has announced a new 50% tariff on all imports from Brazil, effective August 1. The U.S. president linked the decision to the ongoing trial of former Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro, a political ally, describing the prosecution as a witch hunt in a letter to Brazil's current leader. The move has sent shocks through global commodity markets, particularly affecting prices for coffee and beef, for which the U.S. is a major importer from Brazil. UK economy shrinks unexpectedly by 0.1% in May, fueling rate cut speculation. According to the BBC, the United Kingdom's economy contracted by 0.1% in May, marking the second consecutive month of negative growth after a 0.3% fall in April. The Office for National Statistics reported that the decline was primarily driven by weakness in the manufacturing and construction sectors. This unexpected shrinkage has intensified speculation that the Bank of England may cut interest rates at its next meeting to stimulate the fragile economy. UK pursues deeper trade and technology partnerships with ASEAN nations. According to The Times, UK, the United Kingdom is taking steps to deepen its economic and security ties with countries in the Indo-Pacific region. The UK Foreign Secretary met with officials in Malaysia to strengthen cooperation on technology and trade with the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN. As part of the initiative, the UK also announced a pledge of up to £70 million to a Singapore-based partnership focused on financing Asia's green energy transition. S&P 500 and Nasdaq close at new all-time highs amid tech rally. According to Bloomberg, U.S. stock markets continued their upward momentum on Thursday, with both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite closing at new record highs. The rally was primarily fueled by strong performance in the technology sector, with AI chipmaker Nvidia seeing its market capitalization approach $4 trillion. The market gains occurred despite growing global trade uncertainty, indicating strong investor confidence in a narrow group of megacap technology companies. Bitcoin price soars to record high above $118,000 amid strong demand. According to Reuters, Bitcoin surged to a new all-time high on Friday, trading above $118,000 as institutional demand and a favorable U.S. policy environment boosted the cryptocurrency. The record-breaking price has had a positive knock-on effect for crypto-related stocks, with companies such as Coinbase and MicroStrategy experiencing significant share price increases. Other major digital assets, including Ethereum, also rallied on the widespread positive sentiment in the market. U.S. dollar rises to multi-month high on trade tensions and Fed policy. According to Reuters, the U.S. dollar index strengthened to its highest point since February, posting a weekly gain of 0.8%. The dollar's rise was driven by increased safe haven demand from investors amid global trade uncertainty following new U.S. tariff announcements. The currency was also supported by recent Federal Reserve policy meeting minutes, which have tempered market expectations for immediate interest rate cuts, thereby increasing the dollar's relative appeal. Samsung launches thinner Galaxy Z Fold 7 and larger screen Z Flip 7. According to the Associated Press, Samsung unveiled its latest generation of foldable smartphones at its Unpacked event in New York. The new Galaxy Z Fold 7 is significantly thinner and lighter than its predecessor, featuring an 8-inch main display, a wider cover screen, and an upgraded 200-megapixel camera. The new Galaxy Z Flip 7 now includes a larger 4.1-inch cover screen. Both devices feature enhanced integration of Google's Gemini AI and began pre-orders on Wednesday. Google's Gemini AI can now generate short videos from still images. According to the New York Times, Google has rolled out a significant update for its Gemini artificial intelligence model, enabling it to generate 8-second video clips from a single still image combined with a text prompt. This new capability, powered by Google's VO3 model, is now available to subscribers of Gemini Pro and Gemini Ultra. The company has implemented safety guardrails, including a prohibition on creating videos from images of public figures. Amazon licenses content from Hearst & Condé Nast for its AI assistant. According to The Guardian, Amazon has secured multi-year content licensing agreements with publishing giants Hearst & Condé Nast to train its AI shopping assistant, Rufus. The deals grant Amazon access to the archives of magazines such as Vogue, GQ, Harper's Bazaar, and Cosmopolitan. This content will be used to improve Rufus's ability to provide trusted, context-rich product recommendations, marking a strategic push by Amazon to secure high-quality, proprietary data for its AI development.